Hi, I'm Kyle. Today, we're giving you the rundown on everything you need to know about forklift attachments. Every use case is unique, but understanding what you need to get done in the space you'll be done in is a key factor in finding the best attachments. What do I need to know about the safety of forklift attachments? Before we begin, it's crucial to take some safety precautions into consideration. It's important for any forklift operator to understand the distinction between a forklift's net capacity and its rated capacity. The net capacity, also known as the payload capacity, represents the lifting capacity that takes into account the weight of any modifications or attachments. In contrast, the rated capacity is usually the capacity displayed on your forklift's data plate. It's essential to keep these figures in mind because certain attachments can be quite heavy and significantly affect the safe weight and movement capabilities of the forklift. While attachments are crucial for most forklift needs, they always make forklifts less stable because you're adding weight to the forklift plant. Therefore, whenever your forklift is equipped with an attachment, it is important to drive and operate it as if you're carrying a load. Whenever you're unsure about the balance, weight, capacity, or fit of any forklift attachment, always refer to the manufacturer's specifications for your specific model of forklift. Fork extensions, perhaps the most common attachments found on forklift trucks, are sleeve-like attachments that extend the reach of fork. They allow for a longer distribution of support, making them ideal for handling longer or more awkward-shaped loads. When shopping for fork extensions, measure the thickness and width of your forklift's existing forks, also known as the parent fork arm, to ensure a good fit. It's crucial to avoid extending the forks more than 66% of the length to prevent imbalanced loads. Always refer to your forklift manufacturer's specifications for forklift extensions. Side shifter forklift attachments. Unlike many attachments that attach to the existing fork, a side shift attachment enables the forks to move to the right or left. While this attachment is useful, operators must be mindful of the slight weight imbalance when loading or unloading. By positioning the load at a forklift's closest center of gravity, operators can avoid tipping. Rotator forklift attachments, as their name implies, enable operators to tilt their loads by 180 or even 360 degrees. These attachments are exceptionally useful for rotating loads, facilitating precise placement, or effective dumping. Push-pull forklift attachments, commonly used to move loads that are not on pallets. Push-pull attachments load non-palleted cargo by being able to slip beneath the loads by accessing a lip on the plastic or cardboard slip sheets that the load sits on. To unload, the operator activates a pushing carriage to slide the load into position. Push-pull forklift attachments are most frequently used in food processing and other such warehouse sites. Multiple load handler forklift attachments, also known as double load handler attachments, enable forklift operators to double or even triple the load carrying capacity of their forklift in a single trip. These attachments provide an extra row of forks, typically positioned side by side, allowing operators to load 2 or more pallets simultaneously and transport them in a single trip. While incredibly useful, increased safety precautions should be taken when transporting these larger loads. Paper roll clamp attachments are used to load and transport immense rolls of paper without as much risk of damaging said loads. These clamps allow forklift operators to grasp and transport paper rolls that do not easily fit on pallets. Flat surface clamp forklift attachments are useful in moving items with flat surfaces. These attachments are useful for moving appliances and other household items. Basket or cage extension attachments for forklifts are used to lift securely attached personnel to various heights, enabling access to specific areas for maintenance and repairs. These attachments come in different sizes and configurations depending on the number of personal members that need to be lifted. They usually feature a steel welded frame and non-slip decking material on their standing surfaces. Fork positioner forklift attachments are especially useful in their ability to allow a forklift operator to adjust the width of their fork spread from their control cluster using hydraulics. This allows operators to more efficiently move a variety of pallet sizes without having to manually adjust. It has never been more convenient to purchase new or used forklift attachments. Simply visit a nearby Herc-U-Lift dealership or Herc-U-Lift.com to find available forklift attachments for sale.